In the automotive interior industry, precision is not a choice, but a standard. AOL 1625 knife cutting machine isn't to deliver perfect results for every interior component: leather, xiang, absorbing cotton, felt. High-frequency oscillation blade head easily cuts a variety of flexible materials. No burrs, no melting, no damage. We can create pads in CAD, or you can import existing pads directly into the system. From CAD design to precise cutting, even the most complex graphics can be accurately reproduced. Seat covers, floor mats, or multi-layer composite materials. One machine for multiple uses, precise and efficient. Integrated intelligent layout software supports automatic feeding, improves utilization, reduces material waste, and saves labor costs. The cut edges are clean and neat, requiring no secondary processing. Whether for large batches or custom orders, they can be put into use immediately. The tools we have configured for this purpose include oscillation knives, pneumatic knives, and marking pens. Simple and easy-to-use touchscreen interface allows one person to complete the entire process independently, reducing learning costs and improving efficiency. AOL series cutting machines have served global automotive interior manufacturers, winning their trust and enhancing their competitiveness. AOL CNC cutting solutions, designed for efficiency, manufactured for quality. Please contact us to schedule a demonstration.